Good morning. This is your history video for Monday, May 18th. And we have several questions today that you're going to have on that quiz. That's the only assignment that you have for today. So if you listen carefully, you should know these terms, and it should help you to do well on this quiz. The first one is that you want to know who launched the first satellite sent into space, and you want to know about who the space race was between, and then you want to know what the Cuban Missile Crisis was, and then as well as what the Civil Rights Bill was, Civil Rights Bill, and then you also want to know what the GI Bill was. Then you need to know about these people: Douglas MacArthur, Joseph McCarthy, Alan Shepard, John Glenn, Dwight Eisenhower, Lyndon Johnson, Harry Truman. You need to know who NASA, the Peace Corps, Federal Aid Highway Act is, and Fair Deal are. And you also need to know about the famous evangelist from the 1950s. And then what laws were in effect during the 50s and early 60s that were eventually overturned by the Civil Rights Act. And then who was it that ordered the Berlin Wall to be built? Now you know those things and study well for them. You should be able to do well on this quiz that you have for today. And so that's it. Make sure you study well. Make sure you know that information. You should do well on this quiz. Have a good day. Bye.